Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Now, when you got your head down, you're working hard, you probably have many applications running on your laptop. Now, some of them can be resource hogs, slowing down your computer and draining your battery. Now, you could kill off the worst offending applications, but what if you're still using them? Well, good news. The latest version of Windows 11 may have the solution. Now, right now, testers are trialing a new feature called efficiency mode. And rather than kill off an application that's using a lot of system resource, just switch it to efficiency mode. This puts it at the bottom of your laptop's priority list for resources, meaning a faster computer and a battery that lasts longer. Win-win. And the feature's still being tested. If trials go well, we can expect to see efficiency mode later this year. If slow devices or rubbish battery is annoying your staff, we've got plenty of good ideas to help. Just give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.